Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how do we check what is on the fob key using your computer, the reader and the USB. So in this video we will require a fob key. You may be familiar with these. If not, you will have to look into access control and see how that really works, what it is, what it does, and why one may need this when it comes to running a business around apartments. So I can remove the fob key. That's done, and now we are trying to check what is really on this fob key. We did purchase 150 a couple of days ago. However, for the purpose of this video, let's just pretend this fob key has been programmed to a specific door. We just want to check really quickly because we would like to clear and then program a new door for this fob. So when it comes to giving this to a tenant, we hand this over to them and they are then able to get into their apartment. So all we need to do, very basic, very simple, take the fob key, place it on the card reader, and then we should see something on screen that says blank card. If the card was not blank, we would then clear the card and then reprogram a new door on the fob. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.